Hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So into this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to change your Google account name. So if you feel like you want to change your name to another name, it's possible on Google. So to do this, just get to tap onto that profile picture of your Google account, then tap on manage your Google account. So once you're done doing that, over here get to tap on personal information. When you get over here, you get to tap on name. Over here, tap on name. Once you're done tapping on name, so next to your name, tap here. So Google is going to give you a chance to type out another name, and it will be saved on your account. It will be a new name then. So you just need to type out, let's say Fred Cocon. So you want to change it to Fred Cocon. So once you're done changing it to Fred Cocon, then save the name. So that's how you can get to change your name on your Google account. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.